Hi guys! In today's video I'm showing you how to add music in TikTok post. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing is open your TikTok application. After it open, the first thing you have to do is upload a new thing in TikTok by tapping on the plus sign, which is on the bottom of your mobile screen. You can add music in your pics and also in TikTok video. So the choice is yours in which you want to add music. But for me, I will open my mobile phone library and will choose a picture. So I am tapping on this upload icon, which is on the bottom right. Just for an example, I select this picture and will post it on my TikTok. After selecting, tap on the option next, which is on the bottom right. After selecting here, you can see the option on the top of your mobile screen. Tap on this option. And here are the music list. Here you can also search for it by tapping on the search bar icon, and also can choose music from here. Just for an example, I'll choose from here, but tapping on this music. Now the music has been selected, and here you can see the name on the top of my mobile screen, the same music name. Now tap on the option next, which is on the bottom right, and here tap on the option post, which is on the bottom right. After tapping on the option post, your picture with selected music will be posted on TikTok. So it was basic way by which you can choose music for your TikTok picture or for video.